Hello everyone, Sagittarius. Welcome to Happy Soul Journey. So, before starting the reading, I would just want you people to pray for the people of India. A lot of people are suffering from COVID, and this is very crisis, like very critical situation. Pray for them, and after that, on the behalf of this reading, I would say that watch for your sun, moon, and rising sign. If you don't know your sun, moon, rising sign, then I will put the link for the astrocafe.com in the description box. So go there and put your information and cut your chart and just go for all the three readings to get a comprehensive outlook for the May 2021. Plus, I have put all the links for all the zodiac signs in the description box below for the month of May 2021. So you can just directly go there and click on it and go and watch your reading. Last but not the least, for the personal reading, I'm running on offer, discount offer. You can look out for that in the description box below, 50% off. And secondly, you can win a personal reading with me every week. The procedure for participating is very easy. You can go in description box. I have written the process there. Okay, so that's all of the announcements. Now let's start with Sagittarius May reading. One thing I would like to say before starting the reading is like this reading is too much of people oriented. Like you are working a lot for the other people. It's a giving month for you, Sagittarius. So let's start with your energy. Your energy is Two of Swords. It is giving me a feeling that you are very stressful, that what else you can do, like you are thinking like you just have two ideas or very few ideas for going for something, and you want to have more ways to do something, communicate something. You want more ideas, but you are not getting it, so you are a little bit of like in the stressful mode. And one more thing, like you are numbing yourself in some way, like you are trying not to feel a lot of stuff which is going around you, inside you. That's you are trying to do in the May month. Yeah, and trying to be blindfolded from the reality, like you are ignoring to see something. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's start with the 9-card spread. First card is again a philanthropic kind of energy, like you are giving things to people and you're distributing things to people as much as you can, as much you think you can, and you're distributing equally to everyone. Like it's not like you have given everything to one person and not anything to the other person. Like you are trying to distribute things equally to people, very in a justified manner. And you're trying to make things okay for a lot of people. Okay, the next card is Knight of Pentacles, and you are meticulously walking on this path. Some of you can also work in some NGOs or some organization. It is also like if you are a boss, or if you are making a business plan or doing something, like you are giving equal opportunities to people and equal designation, equal importance to people, and you're walking like this on the path. Secondly, if it is like different plans or different things that you are trying to do, like different plans for you have 2-3 works that you need to do, and you are allotting equal time, equal importance to all the work. Like it's a like dividing equal things to equal, like opportunities, people, like you can make it out for your situation. So that is what you're doing, and you're meticulously working on that path to reach a sense of security, stability, structure in the situation, the given situation that you are facing in your life. And you think that slow and steady you will win the race, you will get there, you will establish that thing. Okay, so that is that. After that, the thing is that if you are giving so much importance to a lot of people, a lot of jobs, a lot of opportunities, then you will burn out in some way. And then after burning out, you feel like, I should be numb, but I should not think about the future, I should not think about this or that, I should not think about the bad stuff, I should not feel it, because you are trying to escape the energy of burning out. But because you are doing so much of work, you are putting a lot of energy, a lot of mental energy, a lot of physical energy, so you will burn out. You will feel like a feeling of burning out. Okay, so the universe is telling you to understand that you need rest. Okay, advice is yang, like put the masculine energy there, put the work, but I think there is someone in your life, someone who know you, understand you very well, will tell you like, Mr. Lion, just take a rest. Okay, lion is also masculine energy, so there is someone caring and feminine energy. It doesn't matter you are a female, it could be a feminine male, or a feminine, your mother, your grandmother. It could be someone who is very feminine, very caring, and that person will tell you like, have a rest. Okay, have a rest. And I think you listen to that person. No matter how wise and how old you become, you listen to this person, because you think that this person is like wise and they know things and they understand you, they understand the situation. So if they are telling you to take a break, then you should take a break. And after that, you can indulge yourself into numerous number of things. Okay, but if you will not listen to, and you will just even after taking a break, you will still indulge yourself into the mental struggle, then there is a lot of things which you can block, like establishing, like this 3 of Pentacle. You can block this. So I know there's a lot of chaos and conflict. You need to do a lot of work, you need to find out a lot of things, but 3 of Cups and 3 of Cups twice, which is giving me a tinge of like, enjoy some part of life. Okay, and the time that you will enjoy with your family, friends, or loved ones, your lover, these 3 of Cups is giving me a feeling that if you will do that, there will be no burnout. You will not block the 3 of Pentacle. You will create stuff, you will make good stuff, you will not feel this tower. You don't have to feel this tower or this like hurtful energy. Okay, but you need to take a break. Like it could be a small breaks, but it should be physically, mentally, like in all forms, relax. Okay, or you can put yourself into meditative state, which will also help you to enlighten your path further. Okay, if you have Virgo in your chart, or if you have a Virgo in your life, that person will guide you in a very good way, or it could be a Pisces. Okay, so that is, I'm getting a feeling for you, Sagittarius, that it will be good. The efforts you're putting in, you will see the fruits, you will get there, but you need to understand that there is some physical limitations to a human body. Okay, physical, mental limitations to a human body, and you need to calm your nerves down. You can indulge yourself back to this thing. You can solve the situation, the chaos and conflict. You can solve the situation, but don't forget to take that little breaks with the things that you love or the people which you love. And now don't tell me that the things that you are doing, you love that thing. Okay, don't tell me that, because that is actually making you burn out. So you need a change. Okay, yeah, so that's that, guys. If you like it, let me know in the comment section below, and like it. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Chetna. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other update from my channel. I already told you about the personal readings. I already told you about how you can win the personal reading. If you have any query, you can email me. My email ID is in the description box below. Anything else? I don't think so. All the very best, Sagittarius. Please give yourself a little breaks. I really recommend that. Okay, Sagittarius, I love you. Bye.